So let me ask you this, because obviously beyond trading, you're also an entrepreneur, you do several business ventures and things, and I feel like a lot of people who probably consume your content are people that are at least trying to, whether start their own business or kind of become their own person and not necessarily have a boss. What would be the advice you give to those people that are right now kind of struggling, like, man, they don't see that light at the end of the tunnel yet?
Yeah, it's not gonna be perfect. That's the frustrating part. And that's the thing that people, don't understand and think everything's gonna be like perfect or go their way. And for me, I'm at this point right now, but people know, because I've talked about it, but like the average person who sees me would know that I was homeless twice. Like twice was homeless, like not as a grown adult, but as an 8-year-old in my family, and then as a 13, 14-year-old, like going into high school, like sleeping in cars, like bro, do you know how crazy, and this goes back to getting my financial license, why I did the whole videos over with the Gold Academy, and why I'm so passionate about financial literacy is because growing up, we didn't have money, So like, how crazy it was to go into, bro, I swear this was crazy. I was in 8th grade, about to go into high school, and going into a class, and then we're like the new kids, and they know our address. Our address is like some shelter in 8th grade. And bro, I swear on my dad's grave, they made an announcement on the intercom and said, "Hi guys, Barnum Middle School, we just had, we got 2 new students who are, gracing us within the school. They live in a shelter." Bro, I swear, mind you, bro, I swear, on my dad's grave, bro,
They made an announcement
on the intercom,
on the
bro.
PA.
Yeah, they said they live in a shelter, and we're gonna do this fund for them where we're gonna try to raise $2,000 or $3,000 for them. And bro, they made a whole announcement. They never said our names, but like, me and DJ are only two.
You're the 2 new kids.
Bro, 2 new kids in the school. Bro, they made an announcement, and I felt so crazy. And then we get to lunch, not that day, but just as the days led on, people trying to give us food as if like we're just starving like kids. Like, bro, like it was crazy to the point where, like I felt so much embarrassment that I told myself, like, I remember going to sleep at 13 years old in the shelter. Like, I swear on my dad's grave, I said, I'm never going to have an issue with money when I grow up, like ever. Like, my kids are never gonna worry about it. I don't ever gotta worry about it. So that's why I'm so like passionate about financial literacy. Going back to your question, it's not going to be perfect. You're going to have to go through something to get to where you want to get to, or else you're gonna take it for granted.